Getting an order on Etsy feels great, but the truth is most of those buyers don't really come back unless you find a way to make them. So the reason for that is that Etsy owns the customer relationship and not you. So how do you turn those one-time buyers into loyal customers that keep buying on and on from you? This is where EverBee Store comes in. First off, why do repeat buyers matter? Studies show that it costs 5 times more to get a new customer than to keep an existing one. Loyal buyers spend more, they come back faster, and they recommend you to friends. And if you're only selling on Etsy, you're missing out on building that loyalty. So when somebody buys from your Etsy store, Etsy owns their data. You can't email them directly, you can't easily retarget them, and the next time they come to Etsy to purchase one of your products, Etsy shows them 20 of your competitors. That means you're basically starting from scratch every single time, and you're competing with other shops and products every single time, even if the customer came back for your products. That is where EverBee Store comes in, and it helps you out build a loyal audience and customer base. So with EverBee Store, you can create your own branded storefront in just minutes. You don't have to upload your own products from scratch. You can import them from your existing Etsy store. So you import them, you add your logo, colors, and brand vibe, and you've got a professional looking shop that is all yours. No distractions, no competitors right next to you. And you get your own domain and your own website to represent your brand. This is super simple to do with EverBee Store, and if you want to get it, now is the time to do so because they have really good discounts, so make sure to check it out at the link in the description. Now here's where your own store gets powerful. Every time an Etsy customer shops with you, you can guide them to your EverBee Store for future purchases. So you can collect emails right on your store, so you can send them product launches, discounts, and updates. You can add upsells or bundles that Etsy doesn't let you customize. So this way Etsy becomes your discovery engine, but EverBee Store becomes your home base where customers return again and again. So here's how you make this work. First off, you add a thank you card in your Etsy stores that you send to your customers with a link to your EverBee Store, so to your own storefront. You offer an exclusive discount for shopping directly with you next time. This way you keep your EverBee Store updated with seasonal collections so people have a reason to come back. You start building your email list this way, so get the 10% to people that sign up to your email list, because even 100 loyal subscribers is better than 1,000 random buyers. So turning one-time customers into loyal long-term customers is how you build a real brand, not just an Etsy side hustle. Selling on Etsy is great. I recommend to keep doing that. But besides that, make sure to start your EverBee Store to customize it the way you want, add the products in the way that you want, and have no competitor. When somebody clicks on your store, they will be led to your product and your product only. Again, EverBee Store is super simple to set up. It automatically imports your Etsy store products, your Etsy reviews, and helps you showcase your products in an authentic way that really represents your brand, because you can also add hero banners, more text, an about page, and so much more. So if you want to try EverBee Store today, make sure to check out the link in the description. I definitely think you will not regret it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos weekly. Let me know in the comments if you have your own EverBee Store outside of your Etsy shop and how it helps you gain more loyal customers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!